no gold is not enough.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video today we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. So they did add a couple of new vehicles here, as you guys can see. We have like 4 new vehicles or so, but yeah, let's check them out. So first we have the 2021 Toyota Prius Prime. As you guys see, it looks pretty nice, pretty good for a everyday driver. We then have the 1998 Mclaren F1. This thing looks pretty nice here, as you guys can see. Pretty cool here. But yeah, pretty nice car. Third we have the Nissan Skyline or R33 here, as you guys can see. This thing also looks really nice. Once this thing comes out, I'll probably buy this. I really like how it looks and stuff. We have a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR here. This thing also looks really nice. I like the tires on this thing. I like the wheels, I like the rims and stuff. Looks really nice on this car. Black rims with a white car. That I really like that. That looks really nice. But yeah, those are the cars. Off-road park would probably come soon too as well. As you guys see, probably it's somewhere to off-road, rock climbing and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, this would probably come soon. Mansion neighborhood is the neighborhood right next to spawn. I don't think they have this yet. Yeah, they don't. So yeah, that would probably be coming soon also. As you guys see, it's in dev and planned. It's in development, and this is just planned. So yeah. Next up, let's see here. Features. There's gonna be an interactive map. That's pretty useful. Police lights, better Xbox mouse control. Delivery job. That's pretty cool. Probably have like Amazon delivery, UPS or something. We have car customization. That's really nice. Cruise control, daily award system, server side tire marks. Don't expect boats to come soon. Will probably be worked on the second half of 2021. So it's like summer right now, so second half of 2021 is soon coming. So yeah, we should be expecting boats pretty soon. Yeah, so boats should be coming soon. If you guys look at the boats, it actually looks really nice. US Coast Guard. These boats look pretty cool. Car customization coming, interactive map, daily award system, cruise control and stuff. That's really cool. But yeah, these cars too are pretty cool. But now let's actually go check out their Discord server. Alright, so now we are in the Discord server here. So we have the Toyota Prius obviously there, and the R33. Got the 2000 GTR. Pretty cool. Pretty nice models. Got the R33 here. A remodel maybe, and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the updates, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. That's pretty much it for the updates. They'll probably have some more updates coming soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the future updates, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We are almost at 4,000 subscribers. But yeah, that would probably conclude the video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.